Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Timmy TV and it's good to have you here. Please, if you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome to this family. And if you've not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell that comes up to enable you get update each time a new video is uploaded here. All right, today I'll be talking about Cosmetic Active 105. We've talked about 101, 102, 103, 104. And today we'll be talking about Cosmetic Active 105. Remember I said this active the active ingredient in your skincare product. These are active ingredients that makes your product stand out. Now we'll be talking about humectants today. Now, what are humectants? Humectants can also be called moisturizers. They are moisturizing agents found in our skincare and hair care products. So if you want to make a moisturizing product, a good hair or skincare moisturizing product, trust me, you need your humectants in there. Now, what are humectants? We have our hyaluronic acid, our glycerin, and honey. Now, you have to understand the usage rate of these humectants and the solubility in what kind of product can you use them in. All right. Now, for hyaluronic acid, this is very powerful. It's a very powerful humectant. Gel can be used at up to 100%. While the powder of this hyaluronic acid, of course, we have the hyaluronic acid in gel form and the powder form. Now, the gel form can be used at up to 100% in your skincare products, while the powder is used at 0.1 to 10%, a minimum of 0.1% and a maximum of 10%. This is water soluble. For glycerin, glycerin attracts moisture to the skin and can be used at up to 100%. Used at 2 to 5% in emulsions, okay? And it is water soluble. For honey, it's an excellent humectant for all skin types. And this can be used at up to 100% in your skincare products. Honey doesn't have side effect, of course, and it is water soluble. That means you can use honey in your water-based product. You can use glycerin in your water-based product. You can use your hyaluronic acid in your water-based product. So that's all about our humectants for today. See you in our next video where we'll be talking about Cosmetic Active 106, and we'll be focusing on our preservative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.